Hello everyone. In previous video of this chapter, we have studied what are arithmetic progressions, what is first term of the AP, what are the terms of the AP, and how to find common difference of the AP. And one more thing, how to identify and how to recognize the given list of numbers or sequence of numbers is in an AP or not. Okay, so in this video we will cover our new topic, which is nth term of an AP. Okay, means what is nth term of an AP and how to find nth term of an AP if list of numbers which forms an AP is given, and okay, and few more questions of exercise 5.2. Okay, see, first of all, let us understand this nth term of an AP. And the nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. An is nth term. Okay, nth term means any term of the AP. Okay, a is first term. Okay, a is first term of the AP. This we have studied in earlier video also. And n is number of terms. Okay, number of terms the given AP is having. Okay, and d is very well known, which is common difference. Okay, so nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, where a is first term, d is common difference, and n is the number of terms. Okay, let us suppose we have a set of numbers which forms an AP, which is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. Okay, means A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are the terms or first 5 terms of an AP. Okay, and D is the common difference. Yes, so A will be given by A is the first term. A2 is what? A2 is the second term. A2 is second term, and second term is given by first term plus common difference. Similarly, third term is given by second term plus common difference, and fourth term is given by third term plus common difference. Or using this formula, we can write second term as A first term plus D, which is, see here n is what? 2. Here A2 is second term, no? So n is 2. So A plus n is 2 minus 1 d. 2 minus 1 is n, so it is d only. Okay, so second term is given by A plus d. Now see third term. Third term you can write it as A2 plus d also and A plus 2d also. Why? See, A is first term plus here number of terms is 3, no? So n minus 1 d. So n minus 1 is what? 2. Okay, now A4 is what? A3 plus d and A plus 3d, which is equals to A plus here n is what? This fourth term, no? So n is 4. Okay, so A plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1, which is 3. So A plus n minus 1 d. So these were the second, third, fourth terms of an AP. Okay, second term, third term and fourth term. Okay, now see, how will give nth term of the AP? An will be given by A n minus 1 plus d. An will be given by A, see, A4 is A3 plus d, no? So An is A n minus 1 d. Okay, and in terms of first term, it will be given by A plus, see, number of terms is n, so n minus 1 d. So this is the nth term of an AP. Okay, nth term of an AP, where n is the an is the nth term of an AP, A is first term of an AP, n is number of terms in the AP, and d is the common difference. Now let us start exercise 5.2 with the first question. First question is, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and An is the nth term of an AP. Okay, we have to find the missing terms. Okay, we have to find, see, in first one An is missing, no? So we have to find An. In second bit D is missing, so we have to find D. In third bit A is missing, so we have to find first term. Okay, in fourth bit n is missing, so we have to find number of terms. In fifth an is missing, so we have to find nth term of this given AP, this given sequence of numbers which follows an AP. Okay, so see, so we will solve this second bit. In second bit, A, first term is -18, common difference is not given, we have to find common difference. N, number of terms is 10, and an means nth term is 0. See, we know nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. An is given 0. Okay, a is given -18. N we have n is also given 10. So n minus 1, 10 minus 1. Okay, and d as it is, because we have to find d. Now 18. We will transpose this -18 to RHS. It will become +18 is equals to here 9d. Okay, so d is equals to 18 upon 9, which is 2. So common difference for this AP is 2. Now see the third question of the same exercise 5.2. In the following APs, means this all 5 set of numbers are in AP. Okay, means it will have same common difference. Okay, if numbers are in same, if numbers are in AP, then they have same common difference. See, the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. We have to find the missing terms. So we'll solve here second bit first. Okay, see, first term is missing, second term is given, third term is missing, and fourth term is given. As this is the number of series forms an AP. That is, first term is A, second term is A plus common difference, third term is A plus 2D, and 2 times of common difference, and fourth term is A plus 3D. Okay, now we have second term A2 and fourth term A4. Okay, so A plus D is the second term, which is equals to 13, and A plus 3D is the fourth term, which is equals to 3. So we have here we got 2 equations. Okay, if A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference of the AP, then A plus D is the second term, A plus D, A2, which is A2, this is the second term, and A4, which is fourth term, A plus 3D. Okay, using nth term of an AP, fourth term is A plus 3D. Okay, so by solving these 2 equations, if we subtract first equation from second equation, okay, if we subtract first equation from second equation, A and A will be cancelled out. Okay, and here we'll get 2D is equals to minus 10. Okay, so D is equals to -5. We got common difference -5. Now putting this value of D in any one of the equation, let us put this equation in equation number first. Okay, D is equals to -5, putting in equation number first. So we'll get A is equals to 13 minus D. Minus D means minus, it will become plus. Okay, so this is A plus 13, so A is equals to 13 plus 5, so A is 15, sorry, A is 18. First term of this AP is 18. Okay, now see, we got first term of this AP, first term was missing, and we have to find third term of AP also, which is missing. Now we got common difference and first term, so we can easily find third term of the AP using first and second term and common difference. See, A3 is equals to A2 plus D. A2 is given 13. Okay, and D is what? -5. So 13 minus 5. A3 is 8. So missing terms are 18 and 8. Now see fifth bit of the same question, question number 3rd. First term is missing. Second term is given. Third, fourth, fifth term is missing, and sixth term is given. And question says that these set of numbers are in AP. Let first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth be. First term is A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Fifth term is A plus 4D, and sixth term is A plus 5D respectively. The terms of AP are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D respectively. Okay, these are in AP. Okay, see, we have we are given with second term A2. A2 is A plus D, so A plus D is equals to 38. This is the first equation, and we are given with sixth term also. So A6 we can write A plus 5D. Okay, a plus 5d, and it is minus 22. So this is the second equation. Now if we solve first and second equation, if we subtract first equation from second, we will get a and a minus a will be cancelled out. Now 5d minus d is 4d, and minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60. So d is equals to minus 15. 4d is equals to minus 60. After transposing 4, it will become in division. So d is equals to minus 60 upon 4, which is minus 15. Now putting this value of d equals to minus 15 in any of the equation, let us put in first equation. In first equation we are putting this d is equals to minus 15. So a plus minus 15 is equals to 38. So a is equals to, this is minus, no? So after transposing it will become plus. So a is equals to 53. Now here we got common difference and first term. Okay, common difference is minus 15 and first term is 53. Now we have to find missing terms, more missing terms, which is a3, a4 and a5. a3 is given by a plus 2d. a is 53 plus 2 minus 2 into minus 15, which is d. So 53 minus 30 is 23. 23 is the third term. Now fourth term, a plus 3d. 53 plus 3 into minus 15. Okay, this is 53 minus 45, which is 8. So fourth term is 8. Now fifth term is a plus 4d. 53, a is 53 plus 4 into minus 15, which is 60. So 53 minus 60 is minus 7. This is the fifth term. Okay, so here are the missing terms. A, a3, a4 and a5 are the missing terms of the fifth bit. Now see question number 5 of the same one. See, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. It is given that this set of numbers or list of numbers is in an AP. Okay, 7, 13, 19 and 205. 205 is the last term. Okay, just understand that after 205 there is no dot dot dot, there is no comma and dot dot dot. There is no comma and dot 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 means this is an finite AP. Finite AP means 205 is the last term. Okay, 205 is the last term of the AP. Okay, and if after 205 you have comma and dot dot dot, it means what? It is an infinite AP and it will have more terms. Okay, see, so we have to find, this is the first term and this is the last term or nth term of an AP. So we have to find number of terms, how many terms this AP has. See, whatever we have to find, we will assume that first. Okay, let the number of terms in the given AP is n. This is in an AP and number of terms of this AP is n. First term is very clearly 7 and an. Nth term is 205 and we can get common difference easily. 13 minus 7 is 6. See, difference is second term minus first term, which is 17 minus 7 is equals to 6. So common difference is 6. And we know the formula for nth term of an AP, which is given by an is equals to, nth term of an AP is equals to a plus n minus 1d, and here n is unknown and we have to find. Okay, so an is 205 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into common difference. Okay, now 7 plus this term, no, so we can transpose the 7 to RHS. So 205 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into common difference 6. Now after subtracting we will get 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. Now see, we can see 6 into n minus 1. We can transpose the 6 to this side. It will become in division with 198. So n minus 1 is equals to 198 upon 6. Okay, so we will divide this by 6. We will get 33. Now n minus 1 is equals to 33. Now n is equals to 34. After transposing this minus 1 to RHS, we will get 33 plus 1, which is 34. So number of